Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're doing another short showcase video here to look back at some older builds that newer subscribers might not know we did. And this one is something different, and it is this massive tower crane build here. And as you can see, it is very detailed, and I'm quite proud of it. And it is also pretty tall. And it does have full operational capability here, that you can actually come inside the cab to the driver's seat up here. And also, instead of a ladder, we have these scaffoldings in here so we can climb up and down the crane. And you can also walk out along the booms as you would be able to in real life here and come out on the counterweight. So it is a pretty massive build, but it turned out really good. And we do have a tutorial on how to build this up on the channel already if you want to build it. I'll have that linked in the description. And down here you can see just how massive this thing is. And the scaffolding does run all the way from the bottom. So if you were in survival mode, you could climb from the bottom to the top. So remember, if you want to build this, check the link below. Thanks for watching.